Hello, Helena Kennedy here, and I'm going to twist your arm up your back, metaphorically. I'm here because I want to remind everybody that free legal advice agencies do life-changing work, and we know that. All of us have had some kind of experience or know people who are doing this work or who've helped them and supported them in the past. This is a way of getting legal advice and help to those who really can't afford it. And this year, due to the pandemic and lockdown, the need is greater than ever before. People with really serious debt problems, housing problems, facing evictions, people facing unemployment, really serious problems. The legal advice centres everywhere are scrambling to keep up with the need. And people are facing, I mean, they're on their knees with the amount of demand that there is for help and assistance. So we want to be able to help families. We want to be able to help the pensioner who can't access their entitlements, the woman who is experiencing domestic abuse and who needs legal advice. We can't help people who are facing the loss of their home or their job, and they don't know where to turn for help. And so I'm asking you to use all your creative endeavours to help us this time. We're going to have another sort of, if you like, equivalent of the London Legal Walk, and it's on the 5th of October. Put it in your diary. And what we're saying to people is, look, it might not be possible for you to do a 10K walk or to go on the London Legal Walk. Some of you might be prepared to do it with a mask on and keeping your distance. But what we're really saying is it can be done in lots of ways. It's basically, think of the unit of 10. 10 times or 100 times or 1,000 times or 10,000 times something. And it could be 10,000 steps. It can be a 10K run or a 10K cycle, or it can be a 100-length swim. It can be anything. It can be 10 yoga sessions that you do and that you use it as a way of raising money. It can be 1,000 sit-ups. You won't get me doing that, but anyway, you invent your own thing and get people then to fund you to do it with a challenge. You can make 10 cakes. You can, do 10 performances of Land of Hope and Glory. I don't mind what it is, but if you can only think of that, a unit of 10 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, but get people to fund you to raise money for the trust so that it can help legal advice centres to help the people who need law and law advice more than anybody, and at this time particularly. So that's my challenge to you, and I'm saying please do it, and go to people who are not in the law and explain to them why law matters. It really does. And once we see the erosion of people's right of access to justice, I'm telling you, we're creating a new kind of and a different kind of impoverishment. We're really impoverishing something vital in our society. And this is going to be a very hard time, and law has a role to play. Please help us.